So Mary Beth, we've been running your boat for a while now, and it should be warm, and the choke should be off. But as you can see, the choke flapper valve is pretty much closed, and so that would cause it to flood. As the engine warms up, that adjustment is going to make right there. Well, you should make it right there. That's the adjustment, and that's off right there because that should be opened up with the engine warm. I love the bread tie right there, the green bread tie on the linkage. That's just classy in itself. So go ahead and cut it off. And open up the flap and see if it's dripping down inside of there. Can't even open up the...
No.
So it's not dripping. So we might just have a carburetor. It's got to be dripping because that's why you see the gas that's coming out. Okay, well, if it's not dripping, it's good. But we're going to deal with the bread tie and also do your choke adjustment, because the choke adjustment would make it flood, and that's what you're saying, it's a problem. So, but go ahead and cut it off and turn it on. And cut it off. And turn it on. I guess that's how you want it to turn over.